the second part of this video, what we will be doing is testing the actual Scart lead switches over the TV to the AV channel. So to do this, what I've used is a old trusty DVD player from Wharfdale that I've had forever, but I won't get rid of it because it's so good. So we've got this on at the moment. So what I'll do, I'll turn this off. So you can see that the TV's got no picture. You can see that there. I'll come around the front so you can see it better. Okay, it's actually showing nothing right now. But what we need to do is to have the Scart lead automatically switch the TV into AV mode, which is what the Scart to Jamma method is. So what we need is the DVD player just to test this. So if I go back and turn this on. Okay, it's loading. See signs of life in here, I think. It seems to work fine. I switched the screen to AV. Seem to have a nice picture on here. So far this is a positive test, but we'll have a look at the colours when they come on. Okay, that's fine. A little bit dull maybe on the yellows, but I can tweak that. Okay, that's it for this. Bye bye.